Blocks contain concrete masonry units that can be stacked together to form a retaining wall or part of a building. The sizes may vary based on the design parameters and regulations from the engineer, but they are all the same type of blocks. Each block contains sand, water, and Portland cement as adhesive. Before we dive into this video, if you enjoy my content and you hope to see more of this, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so as to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into this video. Blocks are constructed using concrete or cement. They may include a hollow core to make them lighter and to improve their insulation properties. They are used for a wide variety of purposes, such as the construction of load-bearing walls, retaining walls, partitions, and foundations. Types of concrete blocks: solid concrete blocks, hollow concrete blocks. Solid concrete blocks are commonly used, which are heavy in weight and manufactured from dense aggregates. They are very strong and provide good stability to structure. Hollow concrete block contains void that are greater than 25 of gross area. Solid area should be more than 50%. The hollow part may be divided into several compartments based on our requirements. Terminology in block work: the top and bottom of block is called bed. The long surface or surfaces is called the stretcher, while the end side is called the header. Mortar placed between the top and bottom or horizontally is called mortar bed, while mortar placed with the block vertically is called prepend or head joint. Block work as an element in construction consists of blocks, mortar to bind the blocks together, wire tiles, and labor required to build the wall. When referring to dimensions in block work, the following are the two common terms. 1. Coordination dimension. This refers to as the block, including the mortar, allowed to various sides. 2. Nominal dimension. It refers to the actual size of the block only. Block linings are referred to as skins or leaves. Walls are named after the number of skins they contain. A single skin wall is referred to as a half block wall. 2 skins built up against each other, 1 block wall. Cavity walls allow for hollow space between 2 skins. 3 skins wall is called a 1.5 block work. Pointing in block work. Pointing is the finishing of mortar joints in blocks or stone masonry construction. It is the implementing of joint to a depth of 10 to 20 mm and filling it with a better quality of mortar in desired shape. The profile to be used can be aesthetic or as a weather protection method. Common profiles of pointing. Flash pointing. The mortar is finished off flush with the face of the masonry unit. Recessed or raked pointing. Mortar is pressed back from the face of the masonry unit by 5 mm or more. This creates shadow gap between the masonry unit. Beaded or concave pointing. A more rounded type of pointing with a concave edge. This can look aesthetically pleasing, but it may damage more easily than other profiles. Bonding in block work. A block bond is a pattern in which blocks are laid. The common types of bonding in block work. Stretcher bond. It is the most commonly used block bond pattern. It is formed using only stretchers with the joints on each course center above and below by a half block. English bond is a pattern formed by laying alternative courses of stretcher and header. The joints between the stretchers are centered in the headers in the course below. This is one of the strongest bonding types. Flemish bond is formed by laying headers and stretcher alternatively in each course. The header of each course are centered on the stretcher of the course below. Until when I will be seeing you in the second part of block works in construction. You're welcome.